Let's get started, guys. Welcome to the world of PMP certification. What is a project? And before I explain you what is a project, I want to show you something. This is the project. What we are doing this time is we are constructing this apartment building. Project is, it took me 5 years to make it. It took me 2 years to do it. It took me $100,000 to construct that. Now, what's the difference between project or product? Next video we will talk about is monitor and control and validate scope. What is inputs? Inputs like, what do I have? What are the list of things I need to produce this output? We will talk about is your elicit and analyze the requirement. Nobody in the PMP industry has used these blackboard and the stuff which we have done. So we are first to the market, so we have an advantage of doing it. I'm a big fan of elimination technique. I'm the one who developed this elimination technique for the PMP exam. The most common agile methodology is your Scrum, the most common. So you will have 5 focus areas: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring control, and closing. Next topic we will talk about is project risk in the agile side. What is agile? Agile, it's a mindset. This is my apartment complex. We deliberately created this model to explain you this project management concepts, and trust me, you're gonna love it. It is the look and feel of a new PMP exam simulator. I call it as the Great EHS Simulator, where you will see a lot of videos, lot of questions, and most importantly, the story-based learning methodology we used in our entire simulator. Testing. I just want to make sure it is perfect, right? Cut this part. So next we will talk about is the pen camera. That's my sweetheart, Swati. As I said, Rene is here and Veer. Whenever they come here, they make these drawings. Biryani time now. Some done for the day. Oh my God. Come on. Let's get started.
It was phenomenal.
You guys were awesome.
It's a fantabulous experience.
And I really appreciate it.
Mind-blowing.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
It was completely life-changing.
The best platform.
Amazing.
It's been great.
It's really amazing.
I strongly recommend EduHubSpot.
My gratitude towards EduHubSpot.
I love EduHubSpot.
Absolutely amazing.
Great. It was very good.
Just 2 words, man. Yeah, 5-star.
Absolutely great.
Way more than what I was expecting.
It was out of the world.
So, if you're interested to know more about our Great EHS Simulator, want to learn using a story-based case study approach, click the link given in the YouTube description where you will share your details and one of my PMP mentors will personally reach out to you, understand your background and create that free PMP study plan for you so that you can get this 3-letter word PMP after your name. Click the link below.